Have you ever met someone who looks completely ordinary? Drives an average car, wears simple clothes, and never brags about money. But somehow, they own multiple properties, have a growing investment portfolio, and are completely financially free? Wealthy ones silently building wealth in the background, avoiding attention, and making smart financial moves that compound over time. By the end of this video, you'll discover 10 hidden ways to build wealth without anyone noticing, so you can live life on your terms while staying under the radar. These are strategies used by financially savvy individuals to quietly amass fortunes, and if you apply them, you'll be well on your way to true financial freedom. Subscribe the Wealthy channel, and let's get started. Number 1. Master the art of financial silence. The first rule of stealth wealth: don't talk about money. Flaunting wealth attracts unnecessary attention, fake friends, gold diggers, and even potential scammers. In a society obsessed with appearances, those who quietly accumulate wealth often have the freedom to live life on their own terms, shielded from the pressures of maintaining a facade. You may notice in your surroundings, many fall into the trap of overspending to impress others, leading to crippling debt and financial stress. Take cues from individuals like the late Vanguard founder, Jack Bogle, who lived modestly despite his financial success, focusing on building wealth steadily and quietly. It's not about hiding wealth, but about prioritizing financial well-being over external validation. Number 2. Wealthy minds invest in silence. Do you? Did you know that 90% of millionaires invest in real estate? Yet, they don't brag about it. Take Sarah, for example. She's an elementary school teacher, and on the surface, she seems like any other middle-class worker. But what people don't know is that she owns 3 rental properties that bring in $4,000 a month, quietly growing her wealth in the background. Flashy investments often lead to disappointment. Long-term strategies create real wealth. The less attention you draw to your money, the more it multiplies. Avoid hype-driven investments. If everyone is talking about it, you're already late. Keep your financial moves low-key, reinvest earnings, and let time do the heavy lifting. Number 3. Live below your means, but own above your class. Thomas J. Stanley's book, The Millionaire Next Door, found that most millionaires drive used cars and shop at normal stores. Meanwhile, people drowning in debt are the ones financing luxury lifestyles they can't afford. Mark Zuckerberg wears a plain t-shirt and jeans every day, yet he's worth over $100 billion. On the other hand, many influencers flashing luxury items are in massive credit card debt. The average millionaire doesn't buy luxury items until their investments can pay for them. Stop trying to look rich. Instead, build wealth that no one can see. You stay financially secure while avoiding the stress of keeping up appearances. Number 4. Use windfalls wisely. Don't blow them. Most people get a tax refund, bonus, or inheritance and immediately spend it. Blinded by excitement, splurge on luxury cars, designer clothes, or expensive vacations, only to find themselves back at square one broke and regretting their choices. But the stealthy, wealthy? They see windfalls as an opportunity to accelerate their financial portfolio. Imagine getting a $5,000 bonus. If you spend it on designer brands, the money disappears. But if you invest it in an S&P 500 index fund with an 8% annual return, it could grow to $50,000 in 30 years. Every financial windfall is a chance to multiply wealth, not waste it. Your money works for you instead of being spent on things that lose value. Number 5. Hide wealth in plain sight. Own businesses, not brands. Most people chase expensive brands to signal wealth, luxury cars, designer clothes, flashy watches, thinking they've made it. But the real wealthy don't flex logos, they own the companies that sell them. While the masses spend thousands on Gucci and Rolex, the rich quietly invest in LVMH and Rolex stocks, making money from every purchase others make. You ever notice how truly wealthy people don't have their names on flashy businesses? Instead of building a personal brand around wealth, they structure their assets under LLCs and trusts. The richest landlords don't put their names on the properties. They own them through a real estate LLC, which protects their wealth from lawsuits and taxes. Keep wealth under entities, not your personal name. You stay financially protected while keeping a low profile. Number 6. Multiply your income, not your attention. Relying on one income stream is like walking a financial tightrope. One misstep, and you're in trouble. Yet most people do exactly that, living paycheck to paycheck, hoping their job will always be there. Meanwhile, the wealthy quietly build multiple income streams, investments, businesses, real estate, royalties, without broadcasting it. As The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel states, the ability to do what you want when you want for as long as you want is the highest form of wealth. True financial security comes from having money flow in from different sources, even while you sleep. A single paycheck is financial risk. Multiple income streams are financial freedom. The wealthy collect assets, not applause. Number 7. Use stealth wealth in your daily life. Stealth wealth is just a fancy term for not broadcasting your money. This doesn't mean you never buy nice things or treat yourself. It just means you don't label yourself with every purchase or try to keep up with the Joneses. For example, if you value great coffee, buy the best beans you can afford, but maybe skip the designer suit that'll be outdated next season. Spend on what genuinely adds value to your life, not on things meant to impress others. When you embrace this mindset, life becomes less stressful. Number 8. Avoid debt like the plague. The wealthy use debt to buy assets, not liabilities. If you finance a $70,000 luxury car, in 5 years, it's worth half. But if you take that same $70,000 and put it into an income-generating asset, it can turn into a fortune. Instead of financing a car, if you used your savings to buy an Airbnb property that generates $2,500 a month in passive income, now your investment pays for your lifestyle. Debt should work for you, not against you. Debt should work for you, not against you. Number 9. Avoid the trap of constantly upgrading your lifestyle. Lifestyle inflation is a silent wealth killer. It's the habit of increasing your spending every time your income goes up. You get a raise and suddenly, you're eating out more often, upgrading your car, or moving to a bigger house. But here's the hard truth. These lifestyle upgrades rarely lead to long-term happiness or wealth. As The Millionaire Next Door emphasizes, the key to building wealth isn't just about earning more, it's about spending less than you earn. Lifestyle inflation isn't a sign of success, it's a sign of lost opportunities. The wealthiest people don't upgrade, they remain disciplined in their spending and invest their excess. Number 10. Stay humble, stay grounded. Wealth doesn't have to be loud. My last tip is more personal for you. Stay humble, no matter how many zeros you add to your net worth. True wealth doesn't require bragging or trying to stand out. It thrives quietly in the background. Humility also keeps you open to learning and growing. If you think you already know it all, you won't spot new opportunities. Having a down-to-earth attitude makes the journey more enjoyable and fulfilling. To build real, sustainable wealth, keep your success to yourself and focus on what truly matters: growth, impact, and financial independence. Bragging about your success only invites unnecessary drama and distractions. In a world obsessed with overnight success and flashy Instagram posts, choose the quiet path. If you found this valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more hidden wealth-building secrets. Let's build quiet, unstoppable wealth together. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.